Here I have CAVION Base 10 Quad. Let me show you how to enter the battery saver mode on the following device. So first of all, let's start by using a home screen. Tap apps icon. Let me find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and under device you should choose the battery saver right here. And you can turn on the battery saver by using that switcher. And right now you are using the battery saver. Here you've got some restrictions and settings to battery saver that you can change. For example, you can show indicator of your battery. You can restrict network access and other stuff. If you would like to quit the battery saver, let's use an upper bar and just tap turn off battery saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.